This is the most critical zone, Class 100 cleanroom. The air pressure is higher inside, so dust is pushed out.
Production doesn't start in the kitchen, it starts here, on the dock. If the raw bean is compromised, the milk is dead on arrival. Non-GMO, organic. We look for uniformity. No cracks, no mold. Moisture content must be exactly 12%. Harvesting is messy. Sometimes a bolt or a screw from a combine harvester gets in. We use 10,000 Gauss magnets to pull them out. Only the perfect ones make it this far. Now we wake them up. It's biology. We are reactivating the enzymes. The bean thinks it's time to grow. This reduces the beany flavor and softens the fiber. Perfect hydration. If they are too hard, they damage the grinders. Too soft, and we lose protein. This is the sweet spot.
Phase 1 complete. Hoppers full. Amanda, they are all yours.
We add hot water right at the grind. Why? To kill the gloomy smell. If we grind cold, an enzyme called lipooxygenase reacts with air. It makes the milk taste like grass. We cook that enzyme to death instantly. We hold it here at 95 degrees for exactly 5 minutes. This destroys the trypsin inhibitors, chemicals that make raw soy hard to digest. It's not just cooking, it's making it safe. Right now, we have a mix of milk and fiber. We need to separate them. We use G-force, 4,000 times the force of gravity. This is okara. It's pure fiber. We don't throw it away. It goes to making animal feed or high-fiber flour. Zero waste. And there it is, the soy base, but it's still rough. It has fat globules of all different sizes. If we bottled it this now, it would separate in an hour. We keep it simple, just a touch of salt to balance the flavor and a hint of sugar. The computer measures it to the milligram.
I've done my part. The heart is beating. Now it needs pressure.
Milk is an emulsion. Oil and water don't want to mix. If we leave it alone, the fat floats to the top. The homogenizer prevents that. bar. That's 200 times atmospheric pressure. We smash the fat particles until they are too small to rise. This gives the milk that creamy, silky mouthfeel. Now the kill step, UHT, ultra-high temperature. We need to kill every single bacteria without cooking the flavor out. (137°C for exactly 4 seconds. It's a flash. Bacteria die instantly. Nutrients survive. From this point on, nothing touches the outside air. The milk is sterile. Now we need a sterile bottle. We blow the bottles right here on the line. No storage, no dust. 30,000 bottles an hour. This is the most critical zone, Class 100 cleanroom. The air pressure is higher inside, so dust is pushed out. Heat shrinks the label to fit the bottle's shape. It's like a second skin. Sealed, dated, safe. But is it tough enough? Emily needs to check that. Production is fast. My job is to be slow. We pull one bottle every 10 minutes. If one fails, the last 5,000 bottles are quarantined. Texture is math. Too thick, it's sludge. Too thin, it's water. It has to be perfect. Sterility confirmed. Nothing is alive in that bottle. But can it survive the journey?
But can it survive the journey?
It passed. The seal is stronger than the plastic. Nutritional validation complete. It is what the label says it is.
Nutritional validation complete. It is what the label says it is.
Release batch #409 to shipping.
From a single bean to a ton of product. It's like playing Tetris with heavy machinery. Stabilized, weatherproofed, ready for the road. Another 1,000,000 bottles. Tastes like clouds.
Tastes like clouds.
Right on schedule.